Good afternoon, my name is Joe Varillo. I started this business in 1979 and we're celebrating 45 years in business because I love Corvettes, specialty cars, exotic cars, and I love dealing with people that are passionate like myself. Hi, I'm Joe Varillo, and I love to earn your business. You contact us, we can make your buying experience as easy as 1, 2, 3. We can sell you a car and have it delivered to your door anywhere in the United States or abroad.